In the College of Engineering at Northeastern University, we develop transformative engineers, leaders that are prepared to discover and solve the pressing and complex challenges of our time in order to better the world. This requires interdisciplinary knowledge at the nexus of the human, physical, biological, and digital worlds of the 21st century. It also requires experience. And experiential learning is the heart of a Northeastern education.
The work that I have done in Northeastern has been very experimental. So we can actually develop some theory, but then we can test it and see it working.
The hands-on skills I'm learning here are applicable not just to research, but to industry as well.
There are a ton of opportunities at Northeastern to help prepare you for whatever career you want to do.
The core program is amazing. It was one of the reasons why I came here.
I got to spend 8 months at an organization seeing how they work. I got to be a part of the team. Venturing out into the industry now is not going to be that tough because I've seen how it works before.
It was really helpful to get a job.
This is the most supportive community I've ever been in. Academically, professionally, personally, there's always someone there to support you, and they just want to see you succeed.
Whatever path our students take, upon graduation, they are prepared to be next-generation engineering leaders capable of transforming the world.